Good morning, everyone. This is B. Ramarao from SRRS Government Polytechnic, Sirsilla. Diploma first year students, common subject, engineering chemistry and environmental studies. C18 curriculum, subject code 204. Today we discuss about rubber, natural rubber and processing of natural rubber. Natural rubber and processing of natural rubber. On the completion of this period, you would be able to know about natural rubber, natural rubber, what is a natural rubber, structure of natural rubber, processing of natural rubber, characteristics of natural rubber. This topic we discuss in this hour. What is a natural rubber? How to form natural rubber in environment? Structure of natural rubber, processing of natural rubber from latex, characteristics of natural rubber. Characteristics of natural rubber. Natural rubber. It is a natural material obtained from latex and has property of elasticity. Property of elasticity show the material of polymer is called rubber. It is obtained from trees. Some plants like Hawaii, ficus, etc. These trees can give latex. These compounds show elasticity nature. So this compound is called rubber. Polymers which shows the property of elasticity are called rubber. Is called rubber. Polymer which show the property of elasticity are called rubber. The property of elasticity show the polymers are called rubbers. This rubber is called natural rubber. Natural rubber is a natural polymer. Natural rubber is a natural polymer. Latex is a milk-like liquid that flows out after the bark of the rubber tree is cut. Latex is mixture of rubber particles and water particles. These natural rubbers, latex is a milk liquid that flow out after the bark of the rubber trees is cut. Latex is a mixture of rubber particles and water. It is a mixture of rubber particles and water. Formula of natural rubber is C5H8 taken N, where N is about 10,000. Monomer of natural rubber is C5H8, known as 2-methyl 1,3 butadiene. This 2-methyl 1,3 butadiene common name is isoprene. Each monomer molecule has two double bonds and thus known as diene. Diene. Natural rubber is a natural polymer. It comes from trees. This compound is called latex. Latex is a milk-like liquid that flow out after the bark of the rubber trees is cut. Latex is mixture of rubber particles and water. Formula of natural rubber C5H8 taken N, where N is about 10,000. Monomer of natural rubber is C5H8, known as 2-methyl 1,3 butadiene, is also called isoprene. Each monomer molecule has two double bonds and thus known as diene. These 2-methyl 1,3 butadiene undergoing addition polymerization to form a long chain organic polymer is called natural rubber. Natural rubber is a natural polymer. This polymer is show property of elasticity is called rubber. It is comes from trees. This compound name is latex. Latex is a mixture of rubber particles and water. Formula of natural rubber is C5H8 taken N, where N is about 10,000. Monomer of natural rubber is C5H8, known as 2-methyl 1,3 butadiene. Each monomer molecule has two double bonds and is known as diene. Diene presence in isoprene units. Isoprene formula CH2 double bond C CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2 is called isoprene. CH2 double bond C CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2 is called isoprene. These isoprene units undergoing addition polymerization to form a high molecular weight of compound is called natural rubber. These isoprene CH2 double bond C CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2 undergoing addition polymerization in presence of catalyst then form N number of isoprene units then form CH2 single bond C CH3 double bond CH single bond CH2 taken N is called natural rubber. This natural rubber formed from a simple monomeric units of isoprene units. Rubber. Rubber is a polymer which is a word that is divided from the Greek meaning many parts. Rubber is a polymer. This polymer which is a word that can derive from Greek. Meaning of rubber, many parts. Many simple parts attached together to form a high molecular weight of substance is called rubber. Natural rubber is a naturally occurring polymer. Natural rubber is a naturally occurring polymer obtained from the latex of rubber tree. Natural rubber is also known as 2-methyl 1,3 butadiene is called isoprene. Natural rubber is a natural occurring polymer obtained from the latex of rubber tree. Natural rubber is also known as 2-methyl 1,3 butadiene. Natural rubber is found in the latex that comes from the rubber trees. It is collected in a cup mounted on each tree by slashing the bark to reach the latex vessels. The liquid is 30 to 40% of rubber particles present in latex. Rubber is a polymer, which is a word that is derived from the Greek, meaning many parts. The meaning of rubber, many parts. Natural rubber is a naturally occurring polymer obtained from the latex of rubber trees. Natural rubber is also known as 2-methyl 1,3 butadiene of monomeric units of isoprene units undergoing addition polymerization to form natural rubber. Natural rubber is found in the latex that comes from the rubber trees. It is collected in a cup mounted on each tree by slashing the bark to reach the latex vessels. The liquid is 30 to 40% of rubber particles present in latex. Structure of natural rubber. Natural rubber is a polymer of isoprene. Isoprene formula CH2 double bond CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2. Isoprene undergoing addition polymerization and gives polymer of isoprene is called natural rubber. CH2 double bond CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2 is called isoprene. This isoprene chemical name 2-methyl 1,3 butadiene. These monomeric units undergoing addition polymerization to form CH2 single bond C CH3 double bond CH single bond CH2 taken N is called natural rubber. Natural rubber. This natural rubber, this double bond of CH2, two double bonds present in isoprene of monomeric units. When it undergoes to addition polymerization, addition polymerization, addition polymerization, addition polymerization to form CH2 CH3 double bond CH single bond CH2 taken N. Here only one double bond between carbon to carbon in natural rubber. In natural rubber polyisoprene present only one double bonds here presents in after polymerization of isoprene units to form natural rubber. CH2 single bond, CH3 double bond, CH2 taken N. N means number of monomeric units. These number of monomeric units added together to form a high molecular weight of polymer is called natural rubber. In this natural rubber presents CH2 single bond, CH3 double bond, CH single bond, CH2 taken, N is called natural rubber. This natural rubber have only one double bonds here present. Natural rubber is a polymer of isoprene units. These isoprene units of 2-methyl 1,3 butadiene undergoes addition polymerization and gives polyisoprene is called natural rubber. It's called natural rubber. Sources of natural rubber. The commercial sources of natural rubber latex is para rubber tree, Hawaii trees. Other plants containing latex includes Palaquium gutto, rubber fig, Panama rubber tree, Gutta pacha, common dandelion, Russian dandelion. These all are some rubber plants. Processing of natural rubber. Natural rubber is followed by processing into final products contains compounding, mixing, shaping, vulcanizing. These are processes are involving in natural rubber. Rubber is extracted from latex present in some plants of Hawaii, ficus, etc. Latex contains nearly 35% of rubber. Latex is diluted to 20% rubber. Then these 35% of rubber diluted to 20% added to water. Then after this process is called dilution process. Then after dilution added some chemical compounds like acetic acid, formic acid, CH3COOH or HCOOH is added to latex. These compounds is called coagulated compounds. This process is called coagulation of latex. These chemicals are called coagulants. These are added to maintain acidified pH, that is 5 to 5.7. Where coagulation takes place, rubber obtained is called crude rubber or raw rubber. The raw rubber is subjected to compounding to prepare designed rubber. Latex. 35% of rubber presence in latex. It is diluted up to 20% of rubber. Then after added chemical compounds of acetic acid or formic acid is called coagulation process. It maintains acidified pH. pH is 5. Then after rubber is called raw rubber. This raw rubber adding some compounds like ammonia, etc. These compounds added to raw rubber process is called compounding process. After compounding, you get shaping of rubber is called natural rubber. Is natural rubber, production of rubber is followed by processing into final products consist of this consist of compounding, mixing, shaping, and finally vulcanizing. Processing techniques to natural and synthetic rubber are virtually the same, differences being in the chemical used to effect vulcanization. Compounding process. Rubber is always compounded with additives to satisfy the given application in terms of properties, cost, and processability. Compounding add to chemicals for vulcanization, mainly used to reinforced filler used in natural rubber is carbon black. Other additive including antioxidants, antioxidants, coloring pigments, plasticizers, and softening oils, blowing agents in the production of formation of rubber and mold releases compounds. Mold releases compound added to natural rubber. Natural rubber processing. Rubber obtained from latex making initiation the bark of rubber tree and the shafts are allowed to flow out into small vessels. It is then coagulated in a tank fitted with zigzag partitions by the addition of dilute acids like acetic acid, formic acids. The coagulated rubber is known as crude rubber. The crude rubber is then treated for the repairing rubber is called natural rubber. In this, rubber is always compounded with additives to satisfy the given applications in terms of properties, cost, and processability. Compounding adds chemical for vulcanization, mainly used to reinforced field used carbon black. Other compounds are including antioxidants, anti-ozonations, color, pigments, plasticizers, and softening oils, blowing agents in the production of formation of rubber and mold releases compounds. These all are added to rubber compounding. Shaping of rubber. Shaping of rubber. Rubber processes for rubber products can be divided into four basic categories. Four basic categories: extraction, calendering, coating, molding, and casting. Shaping process of rubber products can be divided into four types. One is extraction, calendering, coating, molding. This is shaping of rubber. Thereafter, vulcanization of rubber. Vulcanization of rubber. Vulcanization is a chemical process. Vulcanization is a chemical process for converting natural rubber or related polymer into more durable materials via the addition of sulfur or other equipment, curatives or accelerators. Vulcanization is a chemical process for converting natural rubber or related polymer into more durable material via the addition of sulfur or other equipment or accelerator added to natural rubber process is called vulcanization process. Some properties of natural rubber: specific gravity at 20 degrees centigrade 0.932 specific gravity, specific heat at 20 degrees centigrade 0.502, 0.502, purified natural rubber after extraction with acetone has refractive index of 1.5 to 1.5 to 1.5238. Electrical properties of natural rubber are determined by its water soluble impurities. For instance, the specific resistive of sheet is 10 to 15 and that crepe of 2 into 10 to 15. Here, when natural rubber stretched more than 80% of its original length, crystallization occurs. Uncross-linked natural rubber can be extracted to 800 to 1000% of its original length without breaking. As the temperature increases, force required to deform the material becomes large. When natural rubber stretched more than 80% in its original length, crystallization occurs. Uncross-linked natural rubber can be extended to 800 to 1000% on its original length without breaking. As the temperature increases, force required to deform the material becomes larger. Natural rubber based compositions are composites. Natural rubber composites and nano composites based on conventional fillers, natural rubber composites and nano composites reinforced with carbon black. Natural rubber composites and nano composites reinforced with silica. Natural rubber composites and nano composites based on carbon nanotubes. Natural rubber composites and nano composites based on graphite or graphene. These are composites and nano composites based on natural rubber. One is carbon black, silica, carbon nanotubes, graphite. These compounds are added to natural rubber to increasing the shape of natural rubber. That is carbon black, silica, carbon nanotube, graphites. Natural rubber composites and nano composition are based on natural filters or fillers, fibers, reinforced natural rubber composites and nano composites, glass, rayon, aramide, asbestos, and cellulose as fibers. Starch, reinforced natural rubber composite and nano composites. Natural rubber composites and nano composites reinforced with natural mineral fillers. Natural mineral fillers. Natural rubber composites and nano composites based on metal or metallic compound fillers. Metal, nano particles and metallic compounds powders are most widely used in polymer to strengthen the polymer and improve their thermal stability and gas barrier properties. Natural rubber is often reinforced with various kinds of metals, nanoparticles, and metallic compound powders. Metal, nanoparticles, and metallic compound powders are most widely used in polymers to strengthen the polymer and improve their thermal stability and gas barrier properties. Natural rubber is often reinforced with various kinds of metal, nanoparticles, and metallic compounds. Natural rubber composites and nanocomposites based on hybrid fillers. Natural rubber composite filled with hybrid filler process outstanding mechanical properties that are not caused by only one filler. Applications of natural rubber based on component. Applications of natural rubber based on compounding. The main use of natural rubber is in automobile. Applications of natural rubber based on composites. The main use in natural rubber is in automobile. 60% of all rubber consumed is for automobile tires and tubes. In heavy duty tires, the major portion of the natural rubber is used. Uses of natural rubber in houses, floorwares, battery boxes, foam, mattresses, balloons, toys, etc. are well known. Natural rubber now finds extensive use in soil stabilization, in vibration absorption, and in road making. The main use of natural rubber is in automobile. Is in automobile. 60% of all rubber consumed is for automobile tires and tubes. 60% of all rubber consumed is for automobile tires and tubes. In heavy duty tires, the major portion of rubber is also used. Uses of natural rubber in houses, footwear, battery boxes, palm, mattresses, balloons, toys, etc. Natural rubber now finds extensive use in soil stabilization, in vibration, absorption, and in road making. And in road making. Non-tire rubber items included industrial products, for example, transmission and conveyor belts, hoses and tubes, industrial lining and bridge bearings. Non-tire rubber items included industrial products, for example, transmissions and elevator belts, hoses and tubes, industrial lining and bridge bearings. Consumer products like golf or football and other recreational and sports goods, erasers, footwears and other applications. Consumer products like golf ball, football, sports goods, erasers, footwears, these all are made from rubber. Articles for uses in medical and health sectors. Articles for uses in medical and health sector, notably condoms, catheters, surgical gloves, these all are made from rubber. Latex articles, typically condoms, gloves, threads, adhesives and molded forms, could be included in different categories in terms of end uses. Natural rubber is tapped from rubber tree, some Hawaii trees. The tree are grown on plantation in Southern Asia and other parts of the world. Latex is colloidal dispersion solid particles of other polymer polyisoprene in water. Polyisoprene C5H8-TeCO-N is chemical substance that compress rubber and it is contains in the emulsion is about 30%. The latex is coated in large tanks, thus blending the yield of many trees together. Many trees together. Calendrin of latex stock is passes through a series of gaps in gaps of decreasing size made by a stand of rotating rolls. Rubber sheets thickness determined by final roll gap. See here, feedstock in top one, rolling tubes, it can be stitching as a sheet stock. Properties of natural rubber. Natural rubber, it is obtained from latex. Then after processing, you got natural rubber. It shows elasticity of nature is called natural rubber. In this natural rubber, by applying force, it is extend size or shape. The force should be removed from natural rubber, it get its original shape. Unstable to heat. When heated above 50 degrees centigrade, it is softened and becomes sticky. And increasing temperature more than 50 or 60 degrees centigrade, it gets softness. The bonding should be breaking between monomer to monomer. It is unstable to oxidation because the presence of double bond between carbon to carbon atom. Unstable to oxygen. Why it is unstable? Because the presence of double bond between carbon to carbon bond. Oxygen formed from air with UV radiation break up the polymeric chains. When carbon-carbon double bond presence in natural rubber, it react with environment oxygen to form oxide bond between carbon to carbon. Insoluble in water, cannot dissolve in water. Soluble in organic solvent like benzene, carbon tetrachloride, chloroform, etc. It is insoluble in water. Rubber cannot dissolve in water. Rubber soluble in organic solvent like benzene, C6H6, carbon tetrachloride, CCl4, chloroform, CHCl3, etc. It is unstable to oxygen. Why it is unstable? Because carbon-carbon have double bond. These double bond, unstable bond, these unstable bond interact with oxygen. It is insoluble in water. It cannot dissolve in water. It's soluble in organic solvent like benzene. Properties of natural rubber. Natural rubber show elasticity. Natural rubber show elasticity. Exhibility, flexibility, elasticity, flexibility, hardness, hardness, absorption releases no damage while rubbing. Insulate electricity. Acid and alkaline resistance, waterproof, waterproof without react with water. Natural rubber show elasticity by applying force or pressure on rubber. It is flexibility show below 60 degree centigrade. It is show hardness property, resistance to no damage while rubbing. Insulate electricity, acid and alkaline resistance, waterproof without react with water. It react with organic compounds like benzene. Properties of natural rubber. Now uses in flooring, using in flooring, bridge construction, expansion, joints, windows, pipes, roofing, sound insulation. Uses in flooring, material, bridge construction, expansion, joints, preparation of windows, to prepare pipes, roofing, sound insulation. These are uses in natural rubber. Flooring, that means floor tiles. Bridge construction, expansion joints, windows, pipes, roofing, sound insulation. Sound observe windows, doors, glazings. Sound observe windows, doors, and glazings. Cladding, electrical cable, component, insulator, bridge, bearings, geomembranes, geolextiles, road construction, artificial sports surfaces, seals, gaskets, beltings. Seals, gaskets, and belting. These are uses of natural rubber. Natural rubber, characters of natural rubber. This natural rubber extracted from latex, process of following characters. It have low tensile strength up to 200 kilograms per centimeter. The elasticity of natural rubber, limit range temperature 10 to 60 degree centigrade. Natural rubber show high water absorption capacity. It becomes soft at high temperature more than 335 degree Kelvin and brittle at low temperature 283 degree Kelvin. That means above 60 degree centigrade it becomes soft. Below 10 degree centigrade it get brittle. It undergoes deformation when stretching force is applied. Less resistance to chemicals like benzene, chloroform, etc. It undergoes to oxidation in presence of air. These are characters of natural rubber. So in this hour we discuss about what is natural rubber, structure of natural rubber, preparation of natural rubber from isoprene, processing of natural rubber from latex, uses of natural rubber, characters of natural rubber. These topics we discuss in this hour. So, thank you once again.